Hi, I'm Mr. Thiru from Aachi Curry House. Okay, actually we have Aachi Curry House. We located in Api, Block 5, just behind Promenade Hotel. Okay, you just can come and try our wonderful lunch, breakfast. We got served breakfast like a idli, puri, chapati, roti, all the type of roti, all type of thosai. And then lunch, we got a special biryani on Wednesday, Saturday, Sunday. We got a chicken biryani and mutton biryani. And then we got to serve our beautiful lunch. And then we serve morning 8 o'clock until 7 p.m. Okay, we got to serve our beautiful healthy drinks like more ice. It's made from yogurt. And then we got to serve like juices, special juices in Aachi Curry House.
很特别，它酸酸这样子的那个味道，好。
And then you can contact me 019-575-6762. Thank you. Okay, you can try our post system, Seng. Okay, so very helpful in our beautiful restaurant, Seng system, post system. Thank you. Bye bye.